You don't do, Lord?
Here comes the alien. Here comes the alien.
Oh no.
It's gonna eat you.
It's an alien skeleton?
Yeah. Touch it. Touch it.
No.
Touch it on its... Look at this. I'm putting my pinky in it.
Ew.
Head.
Does it like that?
Wait.
Oh, it doesn't fit.
He likes...
Go call the puppy. Bring the puppy out here so I can record him.
Wait. What's his name again?
Mick.
Mickey.
There he is. Where's his toy? There, good. What's he gonna do? Is he gonna take it with him? Oh. Does he know how to go get it? I think he wants to lick you.
I think he wants to do it on...
Here,
Daddy, we cool.
curl up again. See if he'll do it again. You're the best toy. He just walked right over. Oh, I didn't really get that. He's just going over her neck. Brian, how can you miss the cuteness? No, you weren't.
I see this with Leonie does this too.
Our dog does this too.
Oh, I must.
If you curl up like that, she will attack.
Who knew that dogs would do that? I guess my dogs get really excited when I'm on the floor.
Yeah?
Oh, he's biting your hair. Oh no. Okay. Karen, get down there with her.
Oh no.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sam will think that's funny and laugh along with it.
You might. I'll have to. Oh my, your hair looks beautiful. It's a little bit staticky now. He's really.
hurt you.
Is he nipping your ears?
Grandpa will save her.
He's trying to eat my hair.
Yeah.
You just lost.
Oh,
They're getting wiped out.
oh no.
7 points.
Mom will be so sad.